introduce to myself. I am Ummehani in front of you from Sujudi. A very special day, and today is the lead class, my dear friends. So I am going to ask a question. Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah, you must excited because today is lead class. So my dear friends, I want to tell something about the English, that importance of English, that in this time English is very necessary for our life, and we are knowing that English is in Esperanto language. It's running very fastly in all over the world. It is known as the international language because it is gone speaking in the all over the world. So it is the very necessary for our life, and we are knowing that in this time if we speak having on stage, then definitely we feel very fear, and so it is bad for us, because why will we fear? It is not if we don't feel comfortable, and so it is very necessary for our life. English is most important. If you will go anywhere, then everywhere is English. If you will go another country, then people want to know other language, means that if you will go having on another country, you will speak Hindi language, then everyone want to understand. But if you will you will speak English language, then definitely everyone understand your language. So English is very necessary for our life. If we are knowing that in this time, also in this time in our India, the Hindi is our mother tongue language. Even then we are learning English, because English is very important for our life. Because if you do anything, then everywhere is English. We will survive our life. We will want to take any types of job, then definitely English is very necessary for taking the job. Everywhere means that if you will take your interview, then also that time English is necessary for you. Means that everywhere is English. Nothing is in the world without English. English is a very popular language, very big, very greatest language. So always we should learn English, and we will achieve the English class, and we can learn many more things. We can remove our hesitation. We can express ourselves in front of peoples, in front of celebrities. So English is very necessary for our life. Always we should attend the classes, whatever we get about the English classes. And so my dear friends, I want to tell about one thing, that English is very necessary. Always we will have to learn these things, that how will I express myself in front of people, how will I remove my fearness, how will make my personality. If you learn English, then definitely you can make your personality very well. Thank you.
So actually whatever she spoke, that was right, because it is very important for us that we should have to learn English language, because whenever you learn the English language, it will be very perfect for you. It will make your confidence, it will build your confidence, as well as it will build your all the good habits, because English is not only a language, it is also a habits, because always you go on doing practice everywhere, anywhere and anytime, so then it will be good for you. And such as a very big quotation has run here, that is Bruce Lee rightly said that practice makes a man perfect. So that's why if you are interested to be a good speaker, if you are very interested that I will become a very nice speaker and I will speak English very well, then you must have to be face this kinds of class, because without facing of this kinds of class, I'm not sure that you will get the very big and good achievement. So for getting a great and aggressive persons, you must have to be face this kinds of class, because it will provide you very motivative things, as well as it will provide you how to improve your language. It will provide you that how to make yourself very confident, as well as how will you become yourself a very fearless person. So thank you very much guys, because today you are going to discuss about this class.